Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to extract text before a character in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. Extracting text before a specific character is one of the most common tasks when working with text data in Excel. Let's look at this range of data. Here our task is to extract fruits from all cells. To do this, we use a simple formula of this type. How does this formula work? In this case, find function looks for a space character in cell C2, and when it finds this character, it returns the number of its position. In cell C2 this is 5. Then we subtract 1 from the 5 and get 4, and then the left function comes in, which returns 4 characters from cell C2, and this is our kiwi fruit. In the other cells, the formula works the same way. Great, now let's look at an example like this. The same fruits, but the symbols are already different. A number, a parenthesis, and somewhere else a letter acts as a separator. How do we extract the fruits now? To begin with, we will make an additional column in which we will list all the separators. Done. Now we write the formula. It will look exactly the same, only now instead of the space character we will use the cells in which we listed the characters. Press enter and pull the formula to the end of the column. And as you can see, we have extracted all the fruits from the cells. You also need to know that this formula is case sensitive, and if, for example, you write a small l instead of a large one, then the formula will not return the result we expected. You also need to remember that the formula returns all the text that was found before the first character found. That is, if you have two space characters in a cell and you need to extract the phrase kiwi goat, then as a result you will get only the first word instead of the phrase. To make everything work properly, add the letter R from the next word to the space, and the formula immediately understands what to look for and gives the result in the form of a phrase, as we need it to. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.